Hey, what's up, y'all? So you want to run a business, you want to run your own business, you want to do your own thing, whether it's a welding business, any type of business, man, be ready for some long days because this is me at the shop. I'm finishing up the day. I've got one truck here. We've got truck number 2 behind me now. That was truck number 3, and it's loaded down. It's ready. We're ready to go. We finished the day. The guy's been gone for a while, and you know what? We still got things to do. One thing about the business side, you have to realize, you have to understand is that, hey, it's not an unlimited thing. It's not, you can't just work off unlimited hours. I have to maintain and manage. A big thing is managing. We have to manage hours. We have to manage payroll. We have to manage time. We have to manage the work. We have to manage jobs. So managing is the big thing in any industry, in any business, whether it's ownership or otherwise. So one thing that I have to do again is, hey, I have to stay after, because there's a lot to do, and I can't always pay for all the things to get done. So it might seem glamorous. Yeah, your people are business owners, whatnot. Yeah, they got it going on, but it's also a challenge and a struggle to get to a point of having systems and having things implemented. We want to get to that point as a young business owner, as a young company, should I say. It doesn't just happen. We have to grow it. We have to get to that point. And that's where we're at right now. And so we're still putting in the time. We're still putting in the work. Again, there's some cleanup to do. There's a pile of trash. You can see that there, that I have to clean up. I can pick that up. I can leave it to the morning, but then you start weighing, well, is it worth waiting on somebody else to do? I can do that. They could probably be doing something more efficient, more beneficial. So those types of things I want you to consider as you're pondering that next job, pondering that business that you say you want to pursue. Consider that management. So there's so many things. Well, again, at this point, it depends on the point of where you're at. You know, we have a truck full of things here that need to be put up, but we probably use them tomorrow. So, hey, no harm, no foul. We'll just leave it there. Let the guys go ahead and go to the house and get them off the clock. So that's kind of thing. So do I want to take those things out? Not necessarily, but will I? Yeah, I'll get them out of there. I'll get this truck cleaned up, get it in order, so that tomorrow, hey, we have what we need, where we need it, when we need it, for what we need it for. So those are things I just wanted to run through, man, to just consider this, man. This is the glamour of being a business owner, a new business owner, being an entrepreneur. Hey, this is raw. This is uncut. Man, we're here and we're loving every minute of it. So if you don't have a passion for it, if you don't have a thick skin and a strong gut, man, it's something you might want to consider. You might want to think real long and hard. Count the costs. The Bible says count the costs before you go try to build something. What's it really going to take? What's it really going to take? The time, effort, blood, sweat, tears, sacrifices that's going to take. Man, consider all that before you take that step. But again, I love it. I'll keep doing it, and I'm grateful for it. So hey, we're here. Just wanted to share that real life take, because we're here serving God, burning rods. Thanks.